If you're absent with a doctor's note, that doesn't mean your employer can't fire you. My name is Paige Sparks. I'm an employment lawyer, and this is actually a very complicated question, but I don't want you to have some false sense of security that a doctor's note will save you, because that's not how it works. As long as it's not discriminatory, your employer can make policies like that where if you're absent for a medical reason, they can request or require a doctor's note. But just because you have a doctor's note saying you were sick on that day doesn't mean your employer can't fire you for being absent. Sometimes I see people get fired for this reason if they already had almost the max limit of attendance points, they were absent, they provide a doctor's note, and they were fired anyway. In that situation, without knowing more details, there may not be much you can do. That's a policy they had, and it was a sickness. Now, if you had a condition that was a disability or it's a long-term thing, you may be able to qualify for FMLA, which is job protected leave for work. If you use a day of FMLA that you're sick and you have a doctor's note and they fired you for that, it's a totally different situation and you may be able to go after them. So in general, a doctor's note may not save you if you're absent and it happens to violate a company policy, but we need to know more information like, is this discriminatory? Do they let others be absent without penalty and only target you? Or if it's FMLA leave, they can't retaliate against you for using that. Comment to let me know what other questions you have about your rights at work.